I'll guide you through how to block someone on Messenger. If you find this video useful, then please consider to subscribe to my channel and to like the video. Thank you guys. Now, as you all know that Facebook keeps on updating the Messenger app, you need to come to Play Store and search for Messenger and then ensure that your Messenger is up to date. Now, once you've updated your Messenger, just click on Open. Then it will bring you to this interface. Now click on those three lines on the top left corner. Then click on Settings icon. Then you will need to scroll down. Then go to Privacy and Safety. Then scroll down. Then go to Blocked Accounts. Then there you are going to see the list of your blocked accounts. Now if you want to block someone, just tap on that profile icon on the top left corner. Then you need to choose the person that you want to block. So you can choose any person that you want to block from the list. So let's say I want to block any person from this list. I'll just tap on the name of that person. Then tap on block. And then the person will be added to your block list. So that's how you can simply block someone on Messenger. Now in the same way you are able to block someone on Messenger, also please consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.